What exactly are systems of linear equations? And why do they matter? Imagine you're faced with two lines on a grid. Finding their intersection isn't just about geometry, it's a glimpse into solving real-world problems. As the equations appear, we begin to decipher these relationships. Each line represents a different scenario. The magic happens at their intersection point. This is the solution to the system, showcasing both the power and elegance of mathematics. Imagine trying to figure out where two paths intersect. That's the essence of solving a system of equations. Let's explore two methods side by side: substitution and graphing. On the left, we have two intertwined equations: 2x plus y equals 4 and x minus y equals -1. Our goal is to find the precise x and y that satisfy both. For substitution, we'll express one variable in terms of the other, substituting it back into another equation. Meanwhile, on the right, our graphing method is coming to life. As we plot these equations on a grid, notice how each line represents a solution path. The intersection point is our target, revealing the common solution. As the lines converge and substitution equations simplify, we're closing in on our answers. Can you see it all coming together? And there it is, the coordinates marking the intersection, a triumphant confirmation from both sides. With this, you've unlocked the key to systems of equations. Imagine you have a budget for advertising, and you want to balance spending on online and print ads. We start with two linear equations. The first depicts your total budget: 10 times the number of online ads plus 20 times the print adds up to 1,000. Below that, the second equation shows that the total number of ads is 50. On the right, a coordinate grid appears. Here we translate our equations to lines. The intersection reveals the optimal solution: 30 online ads and 20 print ads. Substituting these values back into our equations verifies our solution. This balance maximizes exposure within budget. By visualizing, we see algebra becomes not just numbers, but a strategic tool for smart decisions. In this journey, we've unraveled the power of linear equations. Two equations, one precise solution. Where graphically, lines intersect, while algebraically, we solve step by step. Our optimized solution of 30 online and 20 print ads perfectly fits a $1,000 budget. Now, let's delve deeper into optimization techniques and multivariable systems. The world of mathematics holds endless possibilities for discovery, and mastery awaits.